Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick. In this channel, we have been speaking about mental health, physical health, spiritual health, all of that. And we have a lot of people asking questions to us. We have a lot of people interacting with us, and they've said that this channel has been very helpful for them. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to us. We come up with these kind of interesting videos all the time. And in today's episode, we are going to speak about the mudra that can heal your blood pressure, high blood pressure or low blood pressure. So you might have noticed that this has become a very menacing problem, and it has spread throughout humankind. The problem of blood pressure. Why does this happen? It happens because you're not aware. You do not have time for yourself. Once you wake up in the morning, you're all about work. And then you go to work and you are pressed upon with so many tasks to complete, and you come back and you have responsibility towards your families and your society and your friends, and you go to them and you fulfill your responsibility, and you're so tired you come back and you sleep. Where is the time for yourself? When do you take out the time to understand what's happening to you inside out? You're always in this run. And obviously, when you're running all the time, your heart starts pumping blood in a more quicker pace. And that increases your blood pressure. So we have a natural ailment for that. If you are prescribed to allopathic medications, I would not say get off of that, but at the same time you can practice this and find out if it works for you. I'm pretty sure it works for you because it has worked for millions of people, right? So what is the mudra that you do? The mudra is very simple. It is known as the high blood pressure mudra. All you have to do is interlock your fingers, right? And when you interlock them, make sure that your left thumb is outside. This is my left thumb. Make sure that it's outside, right? Now, after you do this, raise the index finger of your right hand. And with your right thumb, this is your right thumb, press the base softly. Press the base of your left index finger, and with your left thumb, press the base of your right thumb lightly. Right? Looks difficult, but it's very easy, right? Interlock your fingers. Your left thumb needs to be outside. Your right index finger needs to be raised. Your right thumb needs to press the left index finger, and your left thumb needs to press the right thumb. That's it. Now, this mudra is to be practiced for around 45 minutes to 1 hour daily. And if you are a very sensitive person, I'll talk about the definitions of sensitive person in another video. If you're a sensitive person, you can start feeling the differences in about 7 days. And if you are a stud, if you are a bull, if you are a very strong, if you're a go-getter type of person, you'll start feeling the differences somewhere around in 21 days. I'm pretty sure you can give 1 hour daily for 21 days for your own health, because if you don't, you'll have to give more than 1 hour in your old age. So besides that, in order to control your high blood pressure, you have to make sure that you practice the Jnana Mudra also, and make sure that you keep yourself hydrated throughout the day, at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day. And it is also beneficial for you if you drink lemon water every day. And If you have high blood pressure when you sleep, you should sleep on your right side so that your left nostril is opened and your right nostril is relatively blocked. So this was all about the high blood pressure mudra. Practice this for yourself and find out. If you liked this video, do not forget to press the like button and leave a comment down below if you have anything to say about this video. Do not forget to share this with your friends who you know are suffering with high blood pressure. Let's help everybody, one person at a time. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because your comments, your likes, and your subscriptions give us more encouragement, more motivation to bring out more of these kind of videos. Let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time, bye-bye.